Working on the Mac really inspires me to do great work, because when you work on something great, you're generally going to produce something greater. The Mac is really key to building all of our products. If we weren't working on tools we didn't like, we wouldn't build products we liked. .37signals is all about doing less software. It's simpler products that do less than the competition. A lot of people think that in order to beat the competition, you have to one-up them or outdo them. You think you can underdo people and one-down people. It's not the low end of the market, it's the smart end of the market that knows you just need a few things to work really well and then just get out of my way. And that's what our software does. We don't do the kitchen sink products, we don't do bloated products, we don't do products that promise the world. We like to execute on the basics beautifully. Our whole business is optimized around happiness. And part of being happy is working on tools that you enjoy working on. And the Mac is so important for that happiness. Without that tool, without the beautiful interface, without OS X that never crashed, without any of that stuff, we really wouldn't be enjoying the job.
Ruby is simply the most beautiful, the most fluent, the most rewarding programming language I've ever experienced. The great thing about Ruby on the Mac is that they just feel like they fit together. Ruby is all about creating beautiful, simple constructs in a programming language, and the Mac shares that same sense of aesthetics, that same sense of taste. Apple has great taste in the kind of applications they do for the creative side of things that really inspires you when you are cutting code.
Ruby on Rails, it's something that we created, and it's basically a framework that allows you to build Rails-based applications on the web much simpler.
For all the time I've been developing Ruby on Rails, I've been using a Mac, and that's definitely been a big part of just the enjoyment of the work, because I have to enjoy all aspects of what I do. I couldn't probably have built Ruby on Rails if I didn't enjoy my computer. If I was still stuck on Windows, maybe I wouldn't have had the inspiration to keep on doing these things.
We want to be one of the most important and meaningful companies of the next 20 years.
So we're trying to affect both our peers in the industry and also customers out there. Just raise their level of expectation.
We really want to change people's perception of software. Software doesn't need to be a chore, it doesn't need to be difficult to use, it should be something you want to use. As long as Apple's building the great tools that they're building, and I don't see that changing ever, we're always going to be with Apple.